at Biscayne National Park. Excited to check another national park off the list. I'm getting ready to head in. Have my son and daughter-in-law with me and my wife, and excited to give this place a try. Let's get outdoors. There is one of the pirate birds. They steal fish and other food from other fishing birds. All right, everyone, we are looking here out into Biscayne Bay. Fun fact, Biscayne National Park is the single biggest national park in the United States that is marine based. The vast majority of this park is actually underwater. So we are going to hop on the mangrove boardwalk and check out, see what we can see. Let's keep going. All right, we are out here on the boardwalk. Obviously no water right here. Let's zoom that out a little bit. But you can see right there is water. Also here on the other side, as you zoom in a little bit, you can see water behind it. Mangroves there as well. So let's keep on trekking out on the boardwalk and see what we can see. Interestingly, there's some distant viewing scopes here that are very cool. You really can't see very much with them though. There's a lot of different fishes.
There's some striped ones over
A little hard to see under the water, but lots of
there's some on the bottom.
yellow and black speckled fishes. And there on the rocks you can see, it looks like it may even be oysters starting to colonize them. Way off there in the distance, I'll continue to try to zoom in. Ah, there you can see it. Is the northernmost of the Florida Keys. I think it's Key Largo. We are looking due east at this point. That is a long, long, long way away.
Oh, that was so fast. Was that another one?
Holy crap.
I think another one tried to come and get that one.
It's really cool, but a barracuda had caught another fish and then just took off. Not sure what caused it to leave so quickly.
Yeah, I'm like, is he about to attack or something?
Wait for him to dart off.
Looks like he's got his eye on
Not sure, that may be a snook.
Huh.
Just being very still in the water. I'll be looking for a bait fish.
I think you're just
You're not. Stupid ass people.
Too many carbs, buddy.
be careful.
Definitely not a good idea for people to be throwing bread into the water, but looks like a needlefish there. He's a little hard to see. He is eating some of the bread though. Alright, here we're transitioning off the boardwalk into a stone-covered portion that is setting up the jetty that boats follow coming out of this little estuary behind us, heading out into the deep portions of Biscayne Bay. breeze is definitely picking up. It feels really good out here. Yeah. And super cool little flowers there. Have to look up what these are, and I'll definitely get them as a title above. And we're going to keep on trekking on out here to the very end of this little jetty. It's known as Convoy Point, and we are nearing the point of Convoy Point. Let's keep on going out to the very end. To the end of Convoy Point. Off in the distance there you can see some mangrove islands. And it's definitely much breezier out here. Way out. You can see Miami. Sure what these little fish are. Cool to see them. Well, there are a couple iguanas. Maybe gonna try to eat the humans. I doubt it. Just kidding. Lots of iguanas here. All right, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. It was great being at Biscayne National Park with my wife, son, and daughter-in-law. It was really cool being at the biggest national park that is water-based. And by seeing Biscayne National Park, I have been able to see all of the national parks in Florida. So until next time, get outdoors.